Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add an Amazon gift card. So let's get started. First of all, make sure you log in to your account. After that, in top right corner, select account and lists. For the next step, in your account section, hover over gift cards and select it. From here, you can see your gift card balance. Now to add the gift card, you just need to select reload your balance. From here, you will be redirected to this page where you can purchase the Amazon gift card. So from here, you're gonna select the reload amount. After that, select buy now, and under 1 hour, you will be getting your Amazon gift card. After that, go back. Once you get your code, now select redeem a gift card. After that, you have to paste the code right here and select apply to your balance. The balance should be added to your current gift card balance and you should be good to go. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.